So now let's look at a new concept, and these are so-called payment channel hubs. So a payment channel hub, you can imagine, is basically a big pot of money which is owned by here a particular entity. And this guy, this operator, he opens a channel and deposits 2 coins with one user, right? We know that this channel opening is slow and expensive, but it's something that he can do. And then he can take his big pot of money, right, and use more money to open different channels with different users. So now what he can do is he can basically offer a service to everyone, right, so that they can send around money to each other. Now, if you look at these individual peers, so this one, for example, can only send 1 coin, right? This is only 1 coin that he can send to any of these peers. And this guy cannot send any coins because he has no coins on his side of the channel. That's one of the drawbacks, but this is something where certainly you can have a payment channel hub operator that is building this kind of payment infrastructure. So payment channel hubs are great for instant finality, right? Because you have full collateral and no trust. But they're quite expensive to run because you need to anticipate how to perform different transactions. Where should you allocate your collateral so that in the future a user can perform a payment? So you need to anticipate a lot of actions. So there might be the question of whether we can do better with eventual finality that we might look into later. But what do you think? Would you run a payment channel hub? What would be the fees that you require? How would you think of adjusting the how would you anticipate how a user behaves, right? What are the different methods? Think about it.